Hi, just a quick reflection today. I was reading 1 Corinthians chapter 5 and one verse stood out to me. Christ, our Passover lamb, has been sacrificed. Paul is correcting the church, but right in the middle of that correction, he points everyone back to Jesus. That reminded me that the Christian life isn't about pretending to be perfect. It's about allowing Christ to change us. People should see a difference in us, not because we're better than anyone else, but because Jesus is at work in our lives. So today, I'm reminding myself, stay close to Christ. Let Him shape my character, and let my life point people to Him.